Okay, now before we dive into the content of the course, I'd like to give you a quick overview of the structure of the course. So the first section of the course is going to be the preparation section, in which I'm going to teach you how to install all the needed software and the needed operating systems inside your current operating system in a virtual environment. With that, you'll be able to practice penetration testing safely without affecting your main machine. So I'm going to teach you how to install Kali Linux as the attacker machine, and then we're going to install two more victim machines. It's going to be a Windows machine and another Linux machine. And from there, we're going to show you how to hack into these machines from the Kali machine, and we'll be able to replicate real-life scenarios. Once we're done with the installation and the configuration, I'm going to give you a quick overview on Kali Linux and Linux basics and Linux commands, just so that you're prepared and you're comfortable with the rest of the course, because like I said, we're going to be starting from scratch. Once done with that, we're going to move to the main sections of the course, which represent the main steps that you need to follow when you're attacking a target using social engineering. So usually the first step is information gathering. And this is actually a very important step because it allows you to understand your target, to know what it is and how it communicates with other entities. And from there, you'll be able to come up with an effective attack strategy. Once we have our attack strategy ready, we're going to move into the technical aspect of generating evil files, or the files that will allow you to gain access to the target system. So we're going to be talking about generating backdoors, keyloggers, credential harvesters, spying tools, download and execute payloads, and so on. The tools that we're going to be talking about will work on Windows, Linux, OS X, and Android, so you'll be able to run these programs on your target regardless of what operating system they run. Once we have our evil files ready, we're going to see how we can create Trojans. So we're going to be converting these evil files to files that the target person will trust and open. We'll do this by making our evil files look and function like any file that you want. So we can make it look like an image, like a book, like a song, or anything that you want. We'll also see how we can embed our evil files inside Microsoft Office documents, and they're going to run as legitimate documents with our backdoor. And these are going to work on Windows and OS X as well. Once we have our evil files ready, we're going to move in to the delivery methods, where we're going to teach you how to deliver these evil files to the target person. So we're going to rely on the information that we gathered, and we'll see how we can use smart social engineering techniques like using fake emails, fake websites, fake login pages. You'll be able to pretend to be any person that you want. You'll be able to send an email as if you're a friend, a boss, an employee, or any email that you want. Not only that, but I'm also going to show you some advanced social engineering techniques that will lure the target person into doing what you want them to do without directly contacting that person. So the person is going to go and execute your file or do what you want them to do. You're going to get your access. Then we'll move to the final section, where I'm going to teach you what can you do with the access that you gained. We'll see how you can control the computer that you hacked, download, upload, edit, or read files, use any component of that computer like the webcam or the mic or anything else. You'll learn how to escalate your privileges, and even use the target computer to hack into other computers. At the end of the course, we're going to move into the security section, where we're going to be discussing the security aspect of this and how to secure yourself from these attacks.